Here's a good GRE quantitative comparison question. 1 minus x over x minus 1 is equal to 1 over x. And we want to know what's greater, quantity A, which is x, whatever we find that to be, or quantity B, which is negative 1/2. Now, the quickest way to solve this problem is to recognize a pattern that we have here. 1 minus x over x minus 1. Whenever I have, I'll just say a minus b over b minus a. Whenever I have that, that automatically equals negative 1. Try it with any number you like. 3 minus 2 over 2 minus 3. 10 minus 1 over 1 minus 10, right? It doesn't matter what numbers you pick. It'll always equal negative 1. So we can rewrite this as negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. Multiply both sides by x to get rid of the denominator there. I find negative x equals 1. So x equals negative 1. Great. So if x equals negative 1, and that's quantity A, and quantity B is negative 1/2, negative 1/2 is greater than negative 1. It's to the right of it on the number line. So the answer here is B. But hold on, some of you might be saying. I did the algebra. I cross-multiplied, and I found, after doing a nasty quadratic, or whatever that gets us, that x, in fact, equals 1 and x equals negative 1 when I solved it algebraically. And to that, I would say, sure, but what happens when you plug 1 back into the equation? When you plug 1 back in, you get 0 in the denominator, right? And that cannot be. That number does not exist. So this is what's known as an extraneous solution or an extraneous root. I'm sorry to say, if you took the long way of cross-multiplying and solving this algebraically, you're actually worse off than just doing the simple rule of knowing that 1 minus x over x minus 1 is equal to negative 1. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to enroll in my 16-hour course, sign up at the link on my profile.